Scarborough offers distribution services. What exactly does that entail?
So for distribution services for Scarborough look like a few different things. Each one of our warehouse offering customized solutions for distribution. It can mean a multitude of things. So as we outlined in the PowerPoint, distribution can mean e-commerce and directly taking goods to an end user through various vendor and retail channels. It can mean bulk shipping of goods where we pull mass quantities of inventory to distribute to retailers, wholesalers, direct to consumer, et cetera, et cetera. That distribution can include long-term storage where we're holding goods in a consolidated fashion to export to another country, where they're coming from a multitude of retailers or vendors into our facilities. And we do the final loadout of the container to go into a country. It can include short-term storage where it's something as simple as we are just doing, cross-docking of the material, and sometimes the goods never even hit our dock. We're just directly taking it off of one trailer or container and loading it directly into another. We offer solutions where we have bonded warehouses that allow imported goods to sit in storage for up to 5 years completely duty-free before the customs releases, and the duties have to be secured by the buyer so the good is free to go out into commerce in the United States. In every possible scenario in between. Scarborough's customization isn't limited just to retail channels. We offer customized distribution services based on whatever our clients' needs are. And when we talk to people about that customization piece, is regardless if it's believed that we can have or can offer the service or not, it's definitely worth bringing up because we're always looking to expand our service offerings and get into different markets. And we definitely, will work with our customers to establish whatever those standards are and see how we can meet those service offering needs.
Excellent. Thank you very much.